Learning to drive is an exciting time, but it can bring anxiety and nerves. After all, you're navigating a whole new world on the road. If you're looking for extra driving practice, Learner Driver Insurance might be able to help. In this video, we are going to cover what Learner Driver Insurance is, how it works, using L plates, supervising driver requirements, and the benefits of Learner Driver Insurance. So, what is Learner Driver Insurance? Learner Driver Insurance is a separate policy specifically for provisional license holders. It is available on your own, a friend, or a family member's car, helping you to be protected when you are out on the roads. This way, even if you do have an accident while practicing, the car owner's no claims bonus stays protected. The way that this works is when the car owner is behind the wheel, they are covered by their insurance policy. When the learner is behind the wheel, they are covered by their own Learner Driver Insurance policy. So, if the learner has an accident while driving on the road, it will be their insurance policy that will deal with the claim, not the car owner's insurance. In order to have a Learner Driver Insurance policy, you must be at least 17 years old, have a valid UK provisional driving licence, ensure that the vehicle is in a safe and legal condition, meet the minimum legal requirement for eyesight standards for driving, have a supervising driver at all times, and put L plate or D plate on the front and rear of the vehicle when the learner is driving the car. So, how does Learner Driver Insurance work? Learner Driver Insurance comes with a few different options for you to choose from. Short-term policies are available from 28 days, and annual policies cover you for the entire year. Everyone's learning to drive journey is different, so short-term might be better for some people, but annual may be better for others. To get a quote for Learner Driver Insurance, you need to fill out an online quote, or you can call a contact centre and get a quote over the phone. During this process, there is information that you will need to make sure that the quote is done correctly. This will be information such as details about the car that you will be insuring, personal details about yourself, your driving licence number, if there are any convictions that the insurer needs to be aware of, or any medical conditions that may affect your insurance. Along with this, there may be extra details if there are additional drivers being added to the policy, which may be available for some products. Another decision that you'll have to make when filling out the quote is what type of cover you will need. You may have options such as third party only, third party fire and theft, and comprehensive cover for your policy. This gives you an idea of what you will be covered for in case of any sort of accident. There may also be optional extras added onto your policy. This can be things such as breakdown cover or excess protection. This can be different from insurer to insurer, so have a look around when you're doing your quote to see what options that you have. So, once you set up a policy, you need to know how to use your L plate. Remember that by law, as a learner driver, you need to have L plates on the front and back of your vehicle, or D plate if you are in Wales. There are regulations on what L plates can be used on your vehicle. They should measure 178mm by 178mm and be a red L on a white background. Or in Wales, the D plate must be a red D on a white background, also measuring 178mm by 178mm. If you have L plates that do not meet these standards, you risk getting penalty points on your licence and your insurance being cancelled. You also face this risk if you do not use L plates on your vehicle when the learner driver is driving. L plates must always be displayed and secured onto the vehicle. Along with having L plates on your vehicle, you must also always have a supervising driver. So, who can actually supervise you? If you are a learner driver, you must be supervised when driving at all times. This person must also meet all of the following criteria. They must be at least 21 years old, be qualified for the type of vehicle you are driving. For example, if it is a manual car, they must have a manual license. They must have had a full driving license for at least 3 years and not currently be banned from driving. When the learner is driving, they must always sit in the front passenger side seat. They will be there to offer help and guidance as and when needed, so it's good for them to be up to date with all the rules of the road. As a supervising driver, they must not hold or use a mobile phone, tablet or sat-nav. This includes to text, make calls, take photos or use any website or apps. They must not have breath or blood alcohol levels higher than the legal limit and must not be under the influence of drugs. This includes some prescription medications that may affect driving ability. Along with that, they must not take the learner on motorways. Learner drivers can only drive on motorways with an approved driving instructor in a car that is fitted with dual controls. So, before you take out your learner driver insurance policy, make sure that you have someone who is eligible to be your supervising driver. So, what are the benefits of learner driver insurance? Well, first and foremost, it protects the car owner's no claims bonus. This can bring peace of mind to both you and the car owner, knowing that their no claims bonus is protected in case of any accidents. Alongside this, you can also start building up your own no claims bonus. This may help reduce the cost of your insurance as a full licence holder. With Collingwood Learner Driver Insurance, you can earn an accelerated no claims bonus with 10 months of uninterrupted cover. This may help reduce your premiums when you become a full licence holder. Alongside that, learner driver insurance means that you can get out for driving practice without limiting yourself to just driving lessons. This means that you can get practice at different times of day, in different weather conditions and in new areas, which can help to build your confidence behind the wheel. Just remember that you can't drive on motorways. A learner driver insurance policy may be more affordable than being added on as an additional driver. This can help save money when you are learning how to drive. So, if you are a learner driver looking for extra practice, why not try learner driver insurance? At Collingwood, we offer short-term and annual insurance for learners. You can get a quote today to see if we can insure you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching.